Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the doors inside home when the room door can't be closed completely. As you see, my room door has problem and can't be closed easily. The wooden part has moved to left side and isn't inside the metal frame. To repair the door, first open the two door hinges. Remove the rod inside the door hinge this way. After removing both metal rods, then the wooden door comes out easily and put it somewhere. If you notice, on the side where I stood, the door of the room was tilted about 3 millimeters to the left, so I hit the hinge to move it 3 millimeters to the right. When finished, it's important that all 3 metal rings are on top of each other. To do this, we insert the rod once and then remove it. Do the same for the bottom hinge. I use a piece of cotton to protect the paint while eating. Then we return the wooden door to its place. Then open the door very carefully, being careful not to let the door come out of the hinge, and place a piece of cardboard 3 to 4 millimeters in thickness in front of the door. Two of the 5 rings are attached to the wooden door. Compare those 2 rings with the rest of the rings. Adjust them if they are front or rear. This ring should move a little to the right side. Also, this ring needs to go to that side a little. Now everything seems good and we can return the rod of the hinges. Let's check the result. That's great. Our modification was excellent. Thanks guys for watching movie. Hope this be useful for you. Wish you all the best. Like, subscribe and share this movie that can help me so much.